Imagine if you discovered an oasis, an island of untold bounty, a fresh paradise where the old laws of money-making just don't apply, a place where traffic wasn't a thing, competition didn't exist, affiliate marketing had never been heard of, a sacred island state with tiny market cap of $10 billion, where Google, Facebook, and YouTube were irrelevant, and all the while, you were the only outsider who had access to a software that showed you all the money everyone else on the island was making. The other islanders went about their business while you watched away, attentively observing, spying, and then at the same time you also had access to a second software tool, an AI that let you exploit, copy, replicate, and clone everyone else's profits almost immediately. So you could become the boss of this new island, the king of a tropical paradise. So this summer, if someone offered you a ticket to the island, would you come? Would you dip your toes into the water? Would you walk the golden sands? And of course, start to finally make money and do it away from the polluted airs of the traditional marketing world, away from all the funnels, the hype, smoke, the headache, the pain. This summer, the opportunity is here. So, are you ready to try something new, something fresh, to profit with my new AI, my new softwares, and a $10 billion site you've never heard? All whilst using an AI you never even knew you needed. We both know the answer. It's an affirmative. And so, if this sounds like a trip you'd like to make, simply click the button. I'll consider that your formal acceptance to my invite. I'll give Captain GPT notice that you'll be joining us on this maiden voyage. We'll put the nuts in the oven and tell the chef to prepare your pastries, because here on AI Paradise, we only fly first. And so, on behalf of myself and the AI Paradise team, welcome to your new horizon. Welcome to your new beginning. Welcome to a new way of money-making. Welcome to AI Paradise. Okay. Thanks for checking us out, and I hope to see you on the inside.